Hey folks, thanks for joining me today. We need to do some more orthographic drawings. So we are going to draw this object, and it is 1 inch high, 2 inches on the bottom, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 2, 1 down, and 1 over. And it's 1 inch wide. So let's get started. All right, so here we go. We are making this object, and it measures 1 inch, 2 inches, 1 inch, 1, 1, 2, and 1. So we have this object here that's 1 inch wide also. So we're going to say that this is the front view. So this is how we're drawing it. So I'm going to set this guy right here so we can kind of see it. I'm going to pick a spot down in the lower left corner. I'm going to get my ruler and I'm going to measure over 2 inches. Make a mark. That's this 2-inch line. Then I'm going to go up an inch. I can also go up an inch on this side. Now I can either go over an inch and up an inch, or I can go over an inch and up an inch here. I need to do the same thing. So I'm going to go over here. There's already a 2, so I'm going to go over here. My ruler has a little thing right there that's been rubbed off. So I have a little bit of a belly in my line there. So I'm going to use down in the middle of the ruler. I know that it's 1 inch high, and this is 1 inch high. And now I can just connect those two. And now I have my front view. So now I'm going to draw the top view. And the easy way to do that, remember, is to take these lines straight up, nice and light. Pick a point down the lower left corner. Continue this one, it's vertical, so it's going to go straight up. And this one is vertical also, so we're going to see that. So now I'm going to pick a spot down the lower left corner. I'm going to try to find a flat side here. Lower left corner, and I'm going to travel all the way over to this line. That's as far as it goes. And then I'm 1 inch up. So I'm going to measure 1 inch. So from the 7 to the 6, I'm going to make a little mark. And from the 7 to the 6, making a little mark. Move those over. That's my top view, folks. I would see this line, and this line. And then I can erase the stuff I don't need. Since I made those lines super light, they're easy to erase. Now I'm going to draw the right side, which is just this. It's super easy. So we're going to take these lines from the front view, and I'm going to transfer them nice and lightly over, and I'll probably see this line because that's an edge, and I'll see the top. And those are the only lines I have. So now I just have to pick a spot here in the lower left corner and go straight up. And from that line, I need to go over 1 inch. To the 6. Up here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just moving over 1 inch. I'm going to connect those lines. And there I have it. Now all I have to do is make my lines darker that are object lines. And then erase the lines that need to go away. And then we got it. Our next drawing. I have my name in the lower left corner. I can come up here or down here. Oops, I have a line I have to erase here. You always want to look it over. Oh, you know what? I have a line I need to darken in here. I'll make this one just a smidge darker too. That looks better. All right, and I'm gonna say second drawing. There we go. Hey folks, thanks again for watching. Make sure to work hard because hard work is its own reward. And I know you hardworking horde out there, I know you're working hard. So keep it up. Catch you next time.